Nowadays, trust is a very rare commodity. It is something what we do not often see in the media, we do not often see in politics. And because trust is something what is built over time, and it is built based on real actions and not only on communication. So the Henkel defined in our ESG strategy that we will step on 3 pillars. And via this, we will communicate with our consumers, and we will also structure our actions. The first one is regenerative planet. So this is everything what we do about the environment, starting from product formulations, biodegradability, recyclability and recycling, readiness using recycling material, and everything related to our operations and how they relate to the planet. The second area is thriving societies. This is what we do for the society. This is what projects we engage in. And here I'm very happy that in Poland we do a lot in that area. We are a big partner of the Nasza Ziemia Foundation. So we are organizing a project for schools, for education called Lekcja Nieśmiecenia, which we did already 3 years in a row, with more than 350 schools taking place, with more than 2,600 teachers using the materials which we co-produced. We also did a great cooperation with Onco Cafe and the so-called Różowy Patrol, also on the protection against breast cancer of women. So a lot of actions related to society. And the third big pillar, this is transparency. And this is a big element of what builds trust. So we have a very transparent reporting, and we are also very transparent with our business partners about our carbon footprint, about where our products are coming from, how much of them, what is the recycled content, the biodegradability, and so on. So we are moving in those 3 areas: planet, society, transparency. Maybe just to put it in numbers, first of all, starting from the global goal and then also going to locally what we want to achieve. So we have set the targets that we will decrease versus 2010, which we took as a base year because we have a long history of sustainability reporting, that we would decrease our carbon footprint by 75% until 2030. We are globally at 55%. And we are moving forward. So adding every year between 5 and 8% of reduction. In Poland, for example, we have a production factory here for example, Pesio detergents and other products from our laundry and home care business. Here, we already cut the carbon footprint by 72%. We already use 100% renewable electricity. But if we look at the next year, so we have as a trend to do between 5 and 8% reduction of carbon footprint every year. For example, one of the initiatives, a very tangible one, what we will do in 2024, is we are going through a compaction process, which means concentrating formulas and reducing by 10% the weight and the dosage, for example, of detergents, of Persil, of Pervol, which immediately cuts the carbon footprint by almost 9-10%, keeping the same performance, the same consumer benefit, however, being more sustainable. And this is an ongoing action of adding this every single year.